Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check spelling on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Start by locating and opening the Settings app on your iPhone. It is usually represented by a gray icon with gears, typically found on the home screen. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see General. Tap on it to access a variety of options related to your device system settings. In the General settings, scroll down and select Keyboard. This section has several options for customizing your typing experience, including spell check and autocorrect settings. Once in the keyboard settings, look for check spelling. Toggle it on to activate spell check, which will underline potentially misspelled words in red as you type. This visual cue helps you quickly spot words that may need correction without automatic changes being made. If you want the phone to automatically correct common spelling errors as you type, find autocorrection just above check spelling and toggle it on. This feature will immediately replace misspelled words with a suggested correction, which can be useful for fast typing. However, if you prefer to review corrections yourself, you may want to leave this off. Also in the keyword settings, look for predictive and toggle it on. Predictive text suggests words based on the letters you type, and it can often suggest the correct spelling of a word you are unsure about before you finish typing it. Now that you have check spelling enabled, you will notice that misspelled words are underlined in red incompatible apps like Messages, Mail, and Notes. To correct a word, tap on the underlined word and you will see suggested spellings pop up just above your keyboard. Simply tap the correct suggestions to replace the misspelled word. And that is everything you need to know about how to check spelling on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.